vice chair, and any other interested party from the area, because I think the problem are administrative issues that you can be able to sort out. So arrange, you have this afternoon, you have tomorrow, to meet with the members concerned. Thank you. Honorable Adewario, North Horr. Honorable Adewario of North Horr. Where is the chair agriculture?
The share of government share of annual revenue divided by the Annual Division of Revenue Act enacted pursuant to Article 218 of the Constitution. The funds are geared towards community-driven development projects and in every constituency identified and implemented at grassroots level. The fund is managed by the NG-CDF board, which is a body corporate established pursuant to Section 14, 15, and 16 of the Act. At the constituency level, the day-to-day management of the fund is vested in the National Government Constituency Development Fund Committee, vested in the National Government Constituency Development Fund Committee that are in place. Are in place in each of the 277,000 1 to Section 4 of NG-CDF 5 constituencies and the board as follows. In 90 constituencies, they have full amount amounting to 16 billion 840 million 869 971. 148 constituencies have received between 90% and 99% of the funds allocated, amounting to 27 billion 16 million 806 270, leaving a balance of 1 billion 136.537. Mr. Speaker, 39 constituencies have received between 80% and 89% of the funds allocated, amounting to 6 billion 591 802 and 803, leaving a balance of 99 million 340,215. 13 constituencies, Mr. Speaker, have received between 65% and 79% of the funds allocated, amounting to 1 billion 993 million 158 791, leaving a balance of 661 million 224 246. In addition, the board has been disbursing funds to constituencies which had pending balances.
Order, members at the back. Take your seats or retreat to the corridor and discuss your issues there. Go on.
In addition, the board has been disbursing funds to constituencies which had pending balances with respect to funds allocated between 2019-2020, 2020 and 2022-2023 financial years. However, a total of 434 million 077 337 and 20 cents is yet to be disbursed due to the outstanding issues amount as summarized below. That is, in 2022-23 financial year, 36 constituencies at 279,000 million 806,859, which is pending, which is still with the board. 2022, 10 constituencies have 99 million 563 445. In 2020 to 2021, 11 constituencies with 5166 380. On 20 have a total of 3 million and 40 650. So the total amount which is still pending is 434 million 077 300. I have annexed the various constituencies, individual constituencies on my table, and the factors are: 1, slow pace of receipt of funds from Treasury, which we do receive, and yet we are not able, we have not received, and therefore it takes time. And then delay by some constituencies in clearing identified issues to facilitate approval of the outstanding projects. Mr. Speaker, I beg to table the list so that the members can be able to have time and look at their constituencies where they are, and possibly make or expedite on your constituencies by asking their fund managers and their chairs or the CDFCs to be able to expedite on issues which have been raised on projects. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
You've left out something, Musa Sirma. It was alleged here by some members that members of your committee prioritize yourselves to get early disbursements at the expense of other members. That order, Koyo, that allegation is on the Hansard, and it will be good for you to also speak to it.
Mr. Speaker,
How many members are you in that committee?
we are 18.
18.
Mr. Speaker, my constituency is amongst the one which is between 90 and 99. And in fact, my constituency, we have 90% disbursement. And I'm the chair. I cannot force the board to approve projects which are not being cleared or clearly understood by the board, or there are some issues to be raised. And especially issues dealing with land has always been taking a long time, because you must produce the title deed before paying the owner. That is where the problem is. And owners at times, they refuse to transfer the land, and yet we have been able to do that. There are also problems with engineers who would not have finished giving their technical expert to be able to be approved. So those are the issues. But to say that we are taken equally, and I have never asked them to prioritize my project. It is only when they are eligible to be approved. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Yeah.
Mr. Speaker.